Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is day 13 of our February unboxing frenzy, where every day in the month of February I will be doing a handbag unboxing slash reveal of all of the bags that I haven't yet revealed to you guys. If you're new here, welcome. Hi, my name is June. I'm a doctor by day and I make YouTube videos in my spare time. If this is the first video you've stumbled upon and that sounds like it's right up your alley, I would love for you to join our little YouTube family here by hitting the subscribe button and also hitting the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. As a disclaimer for anyone who is new, these are bags that I've purchased over the last couple of years that I haven't revealed with you guys here on YouTube, but sometimes I do show them on my Instagram as a little snippet or reveal. So if you are interested, please go ahead and check out my Instagram. That is where I post a lot of outfit and styling videos. That would certainly mean a lot. So day 13, we are getting there, peoples. We are close to the middle. I have got another Chanel unboxing and I figured I might just, continue on from yesterday's video and share with you guys this next handbag. If you are new to my channel, you might see this as a little bit excessive, but if you are a regular subscriber of mine, you know that duplicates is just what I do. When I find something I love and I adore, I do tend to buy it in multiple different colors, and today's handbag unboxing is exactly that. Are you ready? You guys might have an idea of what it is already, but please tell me what color you think it's in. But please welcome my latest handbag edition. You guys ready? Yes, it is another Chanel Jumbo, but this time it is in the most beautiful, gorgeous brown sand color in the lambskin leather with the gold hardware. Exactly the same as yesterday. It is actually a jumbo, so it is exactly the same size. I feel like I don't plan on adding the maxi to my collection. I think the jumbo is probably the maximum size I would go in these vintage Chanel bags, but I actually bought this the same time that I bought the black one and I could not decide between the two. I just thought that this was such a gorgeous, unique color that I honestly could not pass it up. I actually wanted to add this color quite a few years ago, like way before COVID hit. I actually saw a bag similar in color from one of my favorite Japanese consignment sellers. It was like a darker brown and I really love that. But I haven't actually been able to find that color again since. So when I stumbled upon this color, I thought it might be the same. It is a little bit different though. It's not sort of like a cocoa caramel brown. This is actually quite a neutral brown, but still not super yellow, which is nice. Quite a unique color, to be honest, and I've brought some of my beige bags actually to share with you guys, so you have an idea of what the color really looks like, because it is really hard to tell with beiges and browns on your computer sometimes. But yes, anyways, you've seen this already. So giant turn lock closure there, absolutely stunning, and I love the gold with this. It just looks absolutely divine. The interior looks like that, very plain, very simple. And this one also came with the card and authenticity. Is it the same series? No, this one's actually a 3 series bag. I can't remember what yesterday's bag was, whether it was 3 series as well, but look, it's pretty much identical in terms of the inside. The condition of this is also pretty good for a beige bag, in my opinion. A bit of wear and tear on the back. If you're after this bag, I always do recommend going in the black if you want something that is going to last you a long time. As beautiful as this color is, you definitely have to be a bit more careful with it because you get a bit more like rubbing on the back. This one's pretty good, but I certainly wouldn't want to wear this with anything dark, with any navy, with any jeans. So like, you do have to be a bit more careful. Even though it's not a super light color, I feel like this color still rubs a lot. This one though is probably like the color I prefer over the black, just because it's a bit more unique, and you can definitely wear this one sort of more around spring and summer. So for example, I'm wearing just like a sleeveless sweater with some shorts. I probably wear it like this and then maybe with some boots. But yeah, I do think that during spring, especially autumn, this would be really nice with some lighter jackets and cardigans, you know, your beiges and your browns. But let me just show you how this color compares to my other bag. I've got a dark brown mini flap here. You guys have seen me do a video on this. I think this is my vintage Chanel Paris flap. It's got the beautiful CC with the gold and the silver here. If you haven't seen the unboxing video of this one, I'll put it in the info bar below. I get a bit precious with it because the color is so beautiful, so I do get, like, I don't wear it as much as I should. If I compare it, as you can see, it's a lot lighter. This is definitely more of a gorgeous chocolate color. Next to that, let me show you what it looks like. So it's still different from my dark beige. I feel like they're quite similar though. So this one has more of a neutral undertone, whereas this one leans more towards like orange, more yellow, I think. So this is a true neutral sort of beigey brown color. And this is a dark beige, which leans a bit more like caramelly. And then this is the original, I think, beige color. So as you can see, it isn't beige. It's definitely like a dark beige color. So this is the sort of clear beige slash vintage beige, and this is like a completely different color and shade. It's a lot darker, and this is more of like a yellow vanilla color. So just to compare all the beiges that I have quite a few beigey brown colors. I do love them. I'm excited to use this. I'm definitely going to wear it with this outfit at some point as well. But yeah, happy to add this to my collection. Initially my plan was to sort of get both but just keep one, but honestly I'm having a hard time letting this one go. This was sort of an unexpected buy for me, but the color is so beautiful, so I'm not in any rush to let it go at the moment. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this color. I'd be really interested to hear your thoughts. The price I paid for that is very similar to the black one, which is around about 8,000, so it is a pretty penny for those two that I paid, just because it was peak of COVID. So yeah, you can definitely get them at a better price now, and I'll put a couple of links. If I find this like a beigey brown color of this bag, I'll put it in the info bar below, so make sure you check it out. But that is it from me, you guys. That is today's handbag unboxing slash reveal. I will have another one tomorrow. It's quite a special one because it is Valentine's Day. You know I like to treat myself to a Valentine's Day bag most years, so do stay tuned for that one. But yeah, that is it, you guys. That is today's reveal. That is day 12 of the February unboxing month. If you know anyone who would enjoy this series, please make sure to share this video with them. And as I mentioned, if you want to see any pictures on how I wear or style these bags, please follow me on my Instagram. I'll put it here. That is where I post most regularly, and that is where I sort of show how I wear and style my bag. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.